Identifying a rough diamond at home can be exciting, but also tricky. Many stones look similar to diamonds, such as quartz or zircon. While professional testing is always the most reliable, there are a few simple methods you can try at home to get a better idea if your stone might be a real diamond. How 1, the fog test. This is one of the easiest methods. How to do it. Hold the stone close to your mouth. Breathe on it like you're fogging a mirror. What to look for. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears almost instantly. If the fog lingers for a few seconds, it's likely not a diamond. Number 2, the hardness scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. How to do it? Try scratching glass or another mineral surface with the stone. What to look for. A real diamond can scratch glass easily. However, be careful. Some other hard stones can also scratch glass. Note, this test can damage both the surface and the stone, so use it cautiously. Out of 3, the water test. A quick and safe test. How to do it. Fill a glass with water. Drop the stone inside. What to look for. A real diamond will sink quickly due to its high density. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. Number 4, the transparency test. Diamonds do not allow clear light to pass through. How to do it. Place the stone on a piece of paper with text. What to look for. If you can clearly read the text through the stone, it's not a diamond. Real diamonds refract light strongly, making text unreadable. 5, the UV light test. If you have access to a UV black light, this can help. What to look for. Many real diamonds glow blue under UV light. However, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this test isn't definitive. 6, the shape and surface check. Rough diamonds have a unique, natural look. What to observe. Cubic or irregular crystal shapes, a slightly greasy or waxy surface, no rounded edges like river stones. Important tips. No single home test is 100% reliable. Some fake stones can pass 1 or 2 tests. The best way to confirm is by a professional gemologist. Conclusion. Checking a rough diamond at home can give you a good initial idea, but it's not a guarantee. Use multiple tests together for better accuracy. If your stone passes several of these checks, it might be worth getting it professionally tested.